Are you looking for the padlock of the future? Then Decdeal may have just what you're looking for. At the time of this review, the padlock is available for £33.99 from Amazon. So this is the Decdeal Bluetooth padlock. Doesn't look very special from the box. It's just a standard black box. There's no logos, no markings. But if we open it up, first of all we've got the QR code. This is what you need to sync it up with your mobile phone, so don't lose those. We have a very basic instruction manual which tells you how to register. You can either use a mobile phone number or an email address. Basically just tells you how to set the padlock up. Also you will need an app called NoClock. You can get this from the Google Play Store or the App Store. You can search for it manually or you can scan the QR code and it will pop up. It comes with a micro USB cable, just a very basic cable, and you also get the Bluetooth padlock, which it looks pretty good, to be honest. Quite solid. Can't pull it open, which is what you want from a padlock. I've already programmed a fingerprint on this padlock, so we will give it a quick test. As you can see, opens up fine. I've only programmed one of my fingerprints on there, so let's try my other fingers, and with a bit of luck it shouldn't allow me to open the padlock. As you can see, you get a flashing purple light and then it turns red, which means you don't get access. Let's try the fingerprint that I have programmed. Turn blue and opens up fine. Earlier in the video I said you needed NoClock, and this is the app right there. If we load it up, right, as we can see from the first page, it's detected a lock, which is the one in the box here. Took a while to load up. If we want to add extra padlocks, we can press the symbol in the top right hand corner, which allows you to scan a QR code which will add a new lock onto the system. So if we press on the padlock that's already programmed, so on this screen we've got a few options. We have got Fingerprint Settings, which if we go into, currently I have 2 fingerprints registered. I can register additional fingerprints, or I can reset the fingerprints, which will just erase all the current fingerprints that are on there. We also have usage records, which is a really nice feature. If we load that up, that tells you every time the lock has been used, gives you dates and times. We've got Authorization. I'm not totally sure what this does. On this screen you can't really do anything, but if I press batch, I've got unauthorized and authorized and cancel. I haven't really messed about with this because I haven't really needed to. The lock is doing what I need it to do, so I would prefer not to mess about with it. What else you can do as well, rather than using a fingerprint to unlock the padlock, is if you press where it says 0% there, let's bring the padlock in. If I press that has successfully unlocked the padlock. So we'll do it one more time, press 0%, and the padlock unlocks. The only issues I've really had with the padlock was when I was initially setting it up. There were issues with the fingerprint. Once you put your fingerprint on there to register it, you have to keep releasing and putting your finger back on there again. The first time I tried it, it wouldn't recognise my fingerprint. Reset everything, started again, everything worked fine, and ever since then, been no issues with it. And for my star rating for the Decdeal Bluetooth padlock, I'm going to give it 7 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.